Let us make pineapple chicken. Marinate chicken with chili flakes, an egg, corn flour, all-purpose flour or maida. Marinate for at least 30 minutes. Now heat a pan and add sesame oil. Once hot, fry the chicken until golden brown. Now remove the chicken. In the same pan goes in onion, capsicum, ginger julienne and garlic. Add pineapple pieces, ketchup, soya sauce and salt to taste. Add the fried chicken and mix well. Add in pineapple juice. Cover and cook over medium heat. And we are done. Enjoy with steamed or vegetable fried rice. Hope you enjoyed the recipe. Thank you.